Hey, you have these great sounding Beyerdynamic wired in-ear headphones, but the plug has left the chat? Don't throw them away. It's an easy plug repair. Like always, get some tools to do the job. Then start with the cable stretch it away from the cable splitting point. Stretching it improves the cable's lifespan by releasing the extra rubber. As you can see, this is how much extra rubber was on the cable. Then using a sharp knife, carefully remove the outer cable jacket, but don't damage the wires inside. Separate the wires and the fabric strands, then cut the fabrics away. You won't need it. You can use a flame to clean the fabric. Untwist the gold-colored wires, as the white microphone wire is hidden inside them. Twist the gold wires back together into a single wire. In total, you should have 5 wires for these headphones to work properly. Twist both gold ground wires together. Then you need to buy a replacement 3.5mm 4-pole plug. The link is in the video description. Open up the cable clamp on the new plug. Slide the plug housing onto the cable. Since the cable is smaller than the plug opening, you can use a rubber adapter or heat shrink tubing to keep the cable firmly in place. Next, thin the wires. This will make soldering much easier. Using a multimeter in continuity mode, check the wires to identify the left, right, ground and microphone connections. For these headphones, I found that the white wire is for the microphone positive, both gold wires are the ground for the microphone and speakers, the green color wire is the left channel positive, and the red wire is the right channel positive. Then thin the plug contacts. This will improve the soldering quality. Thin the white microphone wire, and then cut it to required length and solder it to the correct plug contact. Stretch the cable slightly and secure it with the plug's cable clamp. Thin the green wire to the required length, cut off the excess, and solder it to the left channel contact. Do the same for the red wire and the gold ground wire. While soldering, be careful not to create a short circuit. When all the wires are soldered to the correct contacts, it's time for the true. Connect the headphones to your phone and use a test track to check if they work correctly. The link to the test audio is in the video description. Mine sounds like new, and I hope you get the same result. The last test is the microphone recording, if you need it. As you can see, the microphone also works. Then ask your grandmother for some nail polish and cover the wires to help prevent future short circuits. You can use a little water to make it easier to slide on the rubber adapter. Then apply some super glue to the plug clamp and push the rubber adapter into place. Add a little more glue around the contact and screw the plug housing back on tightly. The headphones are repaired and ready to use, but since you are watching TechScrew DIY, I will add some extra protection for a longer lasting repair. Cut a piece of heat shrink tubing with a slightly smaller diameter than the plug and make it a little bit longer. Then stretch it so it fits over the plug housing. Slide it over the plug and shrink it into place. And that's how you can save money instead of buying new headphones that will eventually break too. It's much better to learn once how to replace a plug and keep using almost any wired headphones for years. Good luck, and don't forget to leave a nice comment.